Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add elements and repeaters in Wix Studio so you can create dynamic professional layouts where your design changes automatically sync across every item in your list in 2026. Let's get into it. First, locate and select your repeater on the canvas. The first step is identifying the repeater container within the Wix Studio hierarchy. Unlike standard containers, repeaters have a master-slave relationship between items, so you need to be precise with your selection. Open your Wix Studio editor, navigate to the section containing your list, and click on the repeater icon. It usually looks like a grid of 4 squares. Ensure the green bounding box says repeater in the top left corner. If you accidentally click an individual item, use the Layers panel on the left to select the parent repeater. In 2026, Wix Studio uses a global styling engine. By selecting the repeater first, you are preparing the editor to receive a new element that will be duplicated across every item or card in that repeater. This is the foundation of efficient web design. You build the logic once, and Wix Studio handles the repetition for you. Next, enter Edit Item mode. To add an element inside a repeater so it repeats, you must be working within the context of a single item, rather than just floating an element on top of the grid. Click on any single item within the repeater. You will see a small label that says Item 1 or Item 2. Look for the Add Elements plus icon on the left-hand vertical toolbar. This is the context phase. If you drag an element onto the page without selecting an item first, Wix Studio might treat it as a standalone image or text box that sits behind the repeater. By selecting an item, you are telling the editor this new element belongs to the repeater's internal structure. In 2026, this ensures that the element stays perfectly aligned as your screen size changes from desktop to mobile. Next, drag and drop your new element. Now you can choose the specific content, be it an image, a button, or a text block that you want to appear in every card of your repeater. From the Add Elements panel, choose your element, drag it directly into the first item of the repeater. Watch for the Attach to Item blue highlight. Drop the element once the blue line appears around the border of the repeater item. The moment you drop an element into one item, Wix Studio instantly clones it into every other item in that repeater. If you have 20 items, you now have 20 buttons in exactly the same position. This global sync is what allows you to build complex directories, team pages, or software feature lists in seconds rather than hours. And that's pretty much it. To add elements to a repeater in 2026, select the parent repeater, click into a specific item, and drag a new element from the Add panel until you see the Attach to Item highlight. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.